And now, ladies and gentlemen, football is happy. The whole world is happy. June 24th was not just any ordinary day. Look at the number 10 of the Verde Marella, Neymar Jr., arriving after being called up as part of the Brazilian national team. For the first time since 2023, Ney is back in the squad. 980 days later, the entire Hard Rock Stadium in Miami was paralyzed with the return of this icon. How the World Cup missed you. Look how happy Neymar was, sharing love with the fans and everyone present. When he came out to train, the whole stadium erupted. Even the emotional hug from Ronaldinho during the official protocols showed the pure magic around his aura. He started on the substitutes bench, looking as happy as a kid in Disney. Brazil started by crushing the Scots with a brilliant brace from Vini Jr. Yes, Vinicius has been incredible in this World Cup, making his presence known. And of course, magic recognizes magic. While Vinicius Jr. was dancing to celebrate his brace, Neymar stood up to applaud him from the bench. The master applauding his most advanced student. What a great moment. With a 3-0 final result, Brazil won comfortably, but the result mattered the least. The real moment came when Neymar entered the field in the 75th minute. The stadium went absolutely crazy. Look at the way he gave thanks for having the opportunity to reach his last dance. After almost 3 years of absence, the true number 10 of Brazil is back. All the fans stood up and welcomed him with a deafening ovation. Today, the football world is throwing a party. Neymar Jr. has finally recovered from his injury and presented himself in what will be the final World Cup of his professional career. Of course, Ney's quality was noticeable, but he also seemed a bit anxious and nervous. He admitted it at the end of the match. He was happy but very nervous. At the final whistle, Neymar Jr. could not handle the emotion. He started crying like a little kid. It was his re-debut, crying with pure sentiment. Right after, he went to look for his family, his wife and his children to hug and kiss them. A moment that will remain marked in the history books of football. Part 2. Messi's 39th birthday. Today is also a very important day in football. Lionel Andres Messi turns 39 years old. Today is the day of the footballer with the best individual numbers, the maximum winner of Ballon d'Ors, the conqueror of Golden Boots, and the all-time top scorer of the World Cup. He is the only man in all of history who has been capable of completing football from start to finish. Absolutely nobody has dominated so many facets of the game as he has. Happy celebration to the Lord and Master of football, the maximum exponent of the art of playing and making others play. Happy birthday to a guy who, besides being the greatest footballer, is also an example off the pitch. Imagine celebrating your 39th birthday while being the top scorer of a World Cup ahead of the absolute elite. Imagine celebrating just a few days after becoming the all-time leading scorer in the greatest competition that exists. He could easily be celebrating his birthday retired, peaceful in a paradisical destination with his family. But no, Lionel Messi continues to compete at the absolute top. He continues to shine on the most demanding stage on the planet and continues to break records that seemed impossible. In the Argentine camp, the team wore a customized t-shirt with a picture of all of them and Messi for his birthday. What a way to make the genius of the ball happy. To the captain who changed our lives, who gave us unforgettable moments and who made us believe that dreams are possible, we love you tremendously. Even on his birthday morning, Messi started his day by posting a video of him training right after his brace. The objective is clear. The World Cup double. It didn't matter that it was his birthday. Training comes first. Focused first. Watching you play football has always been one of the greatest privileges of this sport, dear Messi. Inside the field, you make the impossible possible and you make the whole world unite to admire your talent. You still transmit the passion for football to millions of people around the world like nobody else knows how to do.